Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. You need to better. Correct. Number 2, Jennifer, her clothes every day. What's that word? Yes. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a battery on the table. There is a battery on the table. Battery. Did you get it right? The red thing is a battery. It can store electricity. There is a battery on the table. Now change it to yesterday. There was a battery on the table yesterday. Now change it to tomorrow. There will be a battery on the table. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this with English on one side and your language on the other. Battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y. If we have 2, we change the Y to I-E-S. Down here, N1 means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 14 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ba-te-ry, battery. But when we speak quickly, we say battery. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The leaves change color every autumn. The leaves change color every autumn. Change. They become different colors as time goes on. Now change it to last autumn. The leaves changed color last autumn. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write to change up here in the top left corner. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here, the number 11 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Whoa, this is a hard one. The first 2 sound like cha, cha, cha. The red part sounds like A. And the last 2 sound like ja for Jennifer. Change. Change. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned you need 2 batteries. Correct. And what does Jennifer do every day? She changes her clothes. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, I like. This means paintings and pictures. Art, correct. Number 2, a bird. 2, ducks with a U, very nice. And the milk belongs in the fridge, correct. Please write your language on the other side. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.